What do you guys want to do?
We should do something with a car.
Yeah, word. That'd be pretty dope. You got any ideas?
Why don't we do this?
Yeah.
Word.
As we enter, come make we take it on the biggest adventure.
We at Home Depot.
Touch our credentials. What's the initials?
QB Jam Rock, the lyrical official. Send out the order, laws and the rituals.
Burn candles, say prayers, paint murals. It is truth, we big news, we hood heroes.
For us the anchor, we come to banker. Man a bad man, we no play Willy Wonka.
And I got the guns,
I got the ganja.
and we can blaze it up on your
Project, and we're making like a soapbox car. Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna get your 4 wheels.
Right. We have those here.
Yep. You're gonna need the rod that goes underneath. If you look on the bottom, there's another piece of wood.
Yeah.
So that's covering that rod that's in there. So that's gonna be hooked up.
The rod itself is Come with me, come with me. We need some wheels, some planks, some Georgia Pacific, some saws.
You want thick wood that's sturdy, but you don't want it to be too heavy.
Right.
So, half inch would probably be more than enough.
Half inch?
You know, if you go with 3/4, I mean, this
For
is
a person to
3/4.
sit on?
For someone to sit on? Yeah, this is 3/4. This is heavy. I would preferably go with half inch. Because again, you don't, well, it's strong, yeah, it's more than strong enough for somebody to sit on. You're gonna reinforce it though. I mean, you gotta build sort of like a, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna have 2 planks underneath.
Exactly.
So we're here in Home Depot, and we just got help from that guy over there. And this is the plan we've got right now. These should be 2x2s. This should be a 1/2 inch plywood. Then we get 2x4s for the wheels.
Crew finishing up at Home Depot.
We got everything we need. We have 2 different kinds of wheels, and we're going to use these ones to create a faster speed, hopefully. And then we have the rope, which we're going to use to steer and tie in. Then we also have these screws, which we're going to use to connect everything. And these ones that are flat and round here, we're going to use so the front axle can be able to move, so we can use to direct. Then we have bolts and washers and screws to connect the bottom of our base, which we're using the 2x2 wood to make.
Sid is gonna ride this.
Oh, I have all my equipment. I'm ready.
2 hours and $270 later, we're ready to build. Sid, what are you working on?
I'm measuring this wood so we can cut it, and we're going to use it to connect the wheels.
Mateo, what are you working on?
I'm cutting 1-foot planks for the frame.
Brian, what are you doing?
I'm holding it from Taya. On it, kids. What you up to?
I'm sanding down the wood so we don't get splintered.
I bet.
Once the wood was cut, we needed to lay it out.
No, you see that short fat one. And another, yeah, the short skinny one.
Aren't we using 2 of these on each one?
Yeah.
And put all of the pieces together.
Yes.
That's awesome.
It's easy.
Okay, so now, here, this is what we're gonna do.
I think we should circle it.
Yeah.
Yeah, do a circle.
Make sure.
Wait, make sure it's equally. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, so we just completed our first car. All we have to do is attach the rope to steer. We're going to probably drill holes here.
Sure,
and
looking fresh.
then we're good to go. It's a nice pivot.
So we built we're building our second car, and we're gonna compare which one goes faster. And that car over there has smaller wheels, but the wheels are also a lot lighter. And this one's gonna have much bigger wheels, but the wheels are a lot heavier. So we're gonna see which one has a bigger impact, the size of the wheels or the mass of the car.
Word.
So we just completed the front axle, and now we are going to attach it back to the foundation of the car. Okay, on.
Sorry.
So we need 2 washers. Put it down here. Drop it in there.
How do you make it stay, Brian?
So you attach a washer and a bolt all the way underneath on the bottom to keep it from falling. Yeah, it's actually the top of the car.
So as the second car nears completion, we're left to wonder, which will be faster?
Alright, I'm just going in, taking one for the team. Just hoping that this goes my way today.
Here she comes. A nice slow, steady start.
Here we are, bending feet in the dark. We fall dreamlessly. Cloaks that spark, that shiver, that breeze. Those you in the dark. Happiness, it won't last long, and this child behind stores it all. The failed man's curse and the.
Okay, so our first set of runs with each car is now complete, and the one with the bigger surface area on the wheels went faster as we predicted by approximately 7 seconds, but by observation we thought that the heavier one, which also ended up going faster, took a longer time to pick up speed. So now we're going to test the 2 cars at a shorter distance and see how the relationship varies. So due to the fact that this car has more mass, we felt that it would take a longer time to get up to its full speed. So in testing it on a shorter distance, we found that even though it still went faster than the car with the small wheels, the ratio of how fast it went per distance was smaller.
Sydney, how you feeling?
Been better, but
First wipe
we're
out
gonna
of the
pull
bag.
through.